Hey guys, it's Liv. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my new series, Liv's Holiday Menu. Every Friday from now until Christmas, I am going to be doing holiday recipes that will help you build the perfect holiday feast. Today we are starting with a side. We're making garlic parmesan mashed potatoes, and I will be it's not going to go in any particular order. I'm just going to space it out, and by the end of this series you will have all the recipes you need to create the perfect vegan holiday menu. I just love planning like beautiful themed menus where everything just goes really well together. So that is my intention for this. I love the holidays and I really wanted you guys to have something for whatever holiday dinner you might be doing. So today we're getting started with the mashed potatoes. I really hope you guys are excited for this series. If you are, definitely give it a thumbs up and let's get into it. So starting off, you want to peel and chop about 3 pounds of potatoes and add them to a large pot. Then add enough water until they are just submerged, and then you want to add some salt and bring it to a high heat and boil them for about 10 minutes or until they are fork tender, which means when you insert a fork in the potatoes, it kind of falls apart super easily. So then once those are done, you can drain them and set aside to cool. And then into a small pot, you want to add your coconut milk and garlic and simmer that for about 5 minutes until it's nice and fragrant. So then we are going to grate the parm. So I'm using the Violife Parmesan wedge and it is so good. I highly recommend it. So you want to do as much as you want of that. You can measure with your heart, but I did about a cup. And then you can just mash your potatoes, add your coconut milk and garlic mixture, a little bit of salt and pepper, your cheese, and then just mash or stir that all together. I like to mash it a little bit and then I'll switch to a spoon and stir it to make sure everything's incorporated. And they're so fluffy and creamy and absolutely amazing. They make your house smell so good. Hazel was trying to sneak some, as you can see here. And yeah, so I like to just plate them with a little bit more cheese on top, some pepper, a little bit of vegan butter, and then just a little sprinkle of parsley flakes just for color. But that's it. So easy, and these are truly some of the best mashed potatoes I have ever had. These potatoes are so good. They are sure to be a hit with everyone at your dinner, whether they're vegan or not. They're cheesy, they're fluffy, they're creamy, and they will go perfect with gravy. So flavorful, and they're definitely not dry. I know if somebody makes you vegan mashed potatoes and they just don't put in any milk or butter, it's just like eating dry potatoes. I have had my fair share of sad vegan mashed potatoes, so definitely make these and you won't be disappointed. They're so good. I know you guys are gonna love them. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you are so excited about this series. I have such good recipes planned and they're nothing that's gonna take too much time. These are like truly the things that I make for holiday dinners, and they're just like simple, wholesome recipes that will never fail you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this first video. Don't forget to check out my website, it's livb.com. There's hundreds of free vegan recipes on there, and I also have 2 cookbooks, Livby's Vegan on a Budget and Easy Every Day. So you can check those out as well. I'll have the links for those below. But that is everything for me today, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!